Hello everyone, I'm Daniel Sikandar from NEBULA Lesson. We have compiled a series of tutorials for you on the topic of electromagnetic induction. The first part of the tutorial explains what electromagnetic induction is and how do we set up experiments to demonstrate the effect. The second tutorial explains the factors which affect the magnitude of induced EMF. And in the third tutorial, you'll be learning about Lenz's law. So instead of watching a long video, you only have to watch short videos which are 3 to 5 minutes long, explaining only one learning objective. So this way, we have broken down a difficult topic into bite sizes and making it easier for you. So once you're done with the tutorial, you can review your learning from the notes, and we will be using the same notes in the tutorial and you will be familiar with the notes. After review of your learning, we would recommend you to solve some past paper questions which are assessing your learning of the learning objectives explained in the tutorial. If you struggle solving past paper questions, guess what? We've also compiled tutorials explaining different past paper questions. So let's begin with the first part of the tutorial.